guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Musu. If this is your first time, welcome to Mo Living Life. I hope it's not your last time. I hope you come back. If this is not your first time, thank you so much for stopping by and coming back to the channel. So yes, when I initially filmed this tour, it was meant to be part of my day one vlog in Kigali that we'll be dropping after this. But then I realized that it was a bit too long and I didn't want to have a really long video, so I thought to bring out the tour, to separate the tour from the entire vlog. If you can hear some noise, I'm so sorry. There's some silly noise in my background. I'm back home, I'm back in Lagos, so yeah. If you watched my last vlog, you know I recently went on a girls trip to Kigali, and this tour is an Airbnb tour. We stayed in a 2-bedroom Airbnb for 6 days. So this person decided that they want to throw a party in their car because I don't know why there's this loud music coming from the car park. But anyways, I'll just quickly get this over and done with so you can get right to the tour. Like I said, we stayed in a 2-bedroom. There was 4 of us. We stayed there for 6 days. And if you're planning to go to Kigali anytime soon, I think you should definitely check out this apartment. I recommend. It was really nice, and you'll see for yourself soon. Also watch to the end to see how much it cost us for 6 days to stay in this apartment, and then any other information you need I will leave in the description below. So yeah, I'll talk to you after the tour. Bye.
This is the front of our apartment. There are 2 apartments in this compound, which is why this is 02. And we have Tokwe here lounging. It's like 7 a.m. in the morning. Is it 7? Sorry, it's 8 a.m. in the morning, but that's 7 a.m. Nigerian time. So yeah, Tokwe is here lounging, drinking her water, feeling like she's better than everybody else. Okay. Anyway, so we're gonna go, and there's like this cute sitting area here for 2 people. Some art on the wall, plants, flower, God I beg, plants at the back, and we're gonna go in now. There's this cute little monkey, and let's go inside. So as you would expect, we come into the living area. Let me turn on the lights. Have the light switches over here. The dining, the living, and this is just what it looks like from the door. So to the right is the dining area. It's really cute. There's this light up here, and then on the wall there's this really cute raffia. I don't know what plate-like design. There's a table, chair. So there's 3 chairs here, and then there's 1 bench on this end. Our host left us some snacks, and then there's like a guide to the Airbnb and then guide to Kigali, which is really helpful. Then we have like the Wi-Fi password and everything. So yeah, this is the living area, really cute. So you can see there's a porch out there, and I'll get there shortly. But so sitting area, TV, like everything is so cute. The console and this cute lamp. So let's quickly check the porch out. I haven't even gone here yet because we got back really late last night. So the sliding door, and there's also sitting here. So it's like sectioned out maybe for just us. There's like, this is the other side, so there's plants everywhere. It's actually really nice. So yeah, this is the porch area. So now we're gonna go to the kitchen. So the kitchen is kind of like an open kitchen, but it's also sectioned out. And there's a lot of like workspace, a lot of that. And then this could also be like a dining area, more pretty as lights. And we move further into the kitchen. There's water heater, coffee maker, toaster, everything we need kitchen wise. um, cups, plates, essentials. So there's some tea here, there's some coffee here, there's salt, pepper, cooking oil. This is the burner. So they have filtered water here, but we bought water yesterday. Probably still doing this when the water finishes. Um, Microwave. This door leads somewhere. I will go there in a bit, but let's finish. So yeah, we made a quick meal yesterday, and that's why there's all these dishes here. What the sink looks like. There's loads of storage, like loads of storage. The refrigerator still currently empty, but we will go shopping in a bit for essentials. So yeah, this door from the kitchen leads outside, but also it leads to where um, the laundry area is. So we have a washer and dryer. We most likely will get some use out of this while we're here because we're here for the whole week. So yeah, so there's like some detergent here, fabric softener, but most likely need to get some more. So yeah, let's go back inside. So I'm back in the living area, and this is the corridor that leads to the rooms. So to the left is the kitchen, and then to my right is the dining. So this is corridor, and I won't show you the first room now. I'll just go straight to the second room because there's people there still. So this is second room. This is second and eyes room, and yeah. So there's some stuff out already because we've kind of settled in, but just yeah. There's this wardrobe here, and there's the bed, queen size, some art on the wall, side table with a lamp, another cute lamp, and on the other side, my side, there's the same thing, side table, lamp. There is a reading area, table, mirror, over there, and yeah, that's pretty much the room. It's adequate for what we need it for. So now to the bathroom here. This room is ensuite, and then this is what the bathroom looks like. A lot of storage too. As you can see, we've made ourselves a home with all our necessities. I'll show you guys myself now, but nope. Mirror here, water closet, and the shower. So yeah, pretty spacious. It's pretty spacious. So yeah, it's pretty much all of it. Everything is like just exactly what we need. Like so okay, so I'm back in the corridor, and the second bathroom is not en suite, so it's like on this other side. So coming out of the room, it's this way, and there's a full-size mirror here, so this will come in very handy. This is the only one, and then here is the bathroom, also quite spacious. So there's a laundry basket here, more baskets, a mirror, the toilet, and the bathroom. So yeah, that's pretty much it. This is what the second room looks like, and it's pretty similar to the first. I don't know if any, I don't think any bigger. I think it's the same size. So the bed, side table, art on the wall, over there, reading corner, laptops are out because people still have work to do, and then the wardrobe. So yeah, pretty much similar.
Gorgeous, right? Told you. We totally loved our stay at it's called Kona Kabiri. Our host Tanya was very, very helpful. Even before we landed, she sent us like recommendations of things to do, places to go, and even the caretaker Theo, he was on ground the entire time. Whenever we needed anything, like get a taxi to, I don't know, just anything we needed, we call him, and he was right there to help us. So if you are looking to go to Kigali, definitely check out Tanya's apartment. She has 2 apartments actually, so whichever one fits your needs better. We chose the 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom because we're 4. I think the other one is, I think it's 2-bedroom, 1 bathroom. I'm not certain, but anyways, and it's cheaper. So yeah, like I said, we got the apartment off Airbnb. I think I mentioned that earlier. And it cost, at the time, about $120 per night. And for the 6 nights, including cleaning, fees, service charge, it came up to about $820, if I'm not mistaken. I will check shortly. I was correct, so it was about $820. We came down to about $205 per person. Converted to naira, it was a total of about 600,000 naira for a little over 600,000 naira for 6 days, which was about 100 and something thousand. Yeah. Per person, it was about 155,000, if I'm not mistaken. And for 6 days, I think it was not a bad deal, because it was a really, really nice place, very modern fittings, fixtures, very picturesque. Also, we got a lot of nice pictures, and yeah, it was great for content also. So yeah, it was perfect. And you might have noticed that there were fans and no ACs. That's because Kigali is pretty cool. I won't say very cold, because it gets to about 22 degrees during the day, but at night it's like 18 degrees. So it was cold at night. At night, I didn't even want to use the fan. So yeah, I think most places in Kigali are like that. Probably you get ACs in hotels and stuff, but we didn't need one. It was perfectly fine for us. Yeah, that's about it for this video. If you have any questions about our time in Kigali, the process, I might do one video just talking about what everything cost and things you should know. I'm not certain, depends on if people have any questions. But yeah, my next video will be a vlog showing kind of like our itinerary, things we got up to, fun things to do if you're looking to visit Kigali. So be sure to check it out. It will be out within a week. I'm not sure when. I'm trying to post this one on, I think, Wednesday, and hopefully have that one ready by, if not Sunday, then next week. But anyways, yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. Please share, like, subscribe, drop a comment, let me know also in general what kind of content you would like to see from this channel. I create weekly vlogs. It's your first time, I create weekly vlogs, life in Lagos, and other things. And yeah, I travel from time to time. This is my first travel series on the channel, and I'll be having more soon. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.